Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a little package I received, Happy Mail, or we'll see what it is. We'll see. And this one comes from Amber Rosenbaum. Let me see, did I say that? Rosenbaum. Oh my goodness, sorry. Rosenbaum. Okay, so anyways, she doesn't have a YouTube channel. I know she watches on YouTube, but she does have an Instagram, so I'll go ahead and link her down in the description below. Now look at this butterfly. So let's go ahead and cut this open. So let me put you guys on pause while I open this, because I gotta figure out here. Maybe I'll use this. So yeah. Okay, so finally cut it open. Let's go ahead and see. Oh, I was thinking this was what it was. So she created FlatMail for her entry. Thank you, Amber. I didn't expect this. Let me see. This is a note right here. Aww. And oh my gosh, she is Delightful Creations. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, Amber. Somehow how did I miss this? Oh my god. She here on YouTube is Delightful Creations. So I apologize, Amber. She also has, I think she has an Instagram. So I'm thinking, anyway, so thinking of you. Oh, how cute. So she sneaked this in and she sent it to me. And oh, how sweet. Thank you so much. So let's go ahead and see what she, oh my goodness. I love this. Oh. So let's go ahead and see how she created and what she created. So this looks like, is it a pull out? It feels like it pulls out. Is it opening? Oh my gosh, I don't want to tear it open. Okay, so let's go ahead and go this way. And then she inserted all these extra little goodies in here. How cute. And then she distressed this right here. Awesome. And then she went ahead, she made it into a little booklet, and then it's like kind of like a little booklet right here. And then she put some washi tape in here. How cute. And then she put these journaling cards in here, and then she put this, and this is like to make a little card. You write it in here. So cute. And then this is a tag right here, and this is, I like these somehow one time I went to was it Home Depot? Now they don't do them like they used to, but this is awesome to use because you can also use it for crafting. These are like the paint cards. So oh, thank you. And then she has a pocket in here, and she sewed on here so I could journal on here. And there you go. And then she has a memory dex card in here, and then like a little piece of oh my gosh, ephemera, I want to say. And then look at, I wanted to show you guys because I didn't notice this right here. So she has a pocket here, and then she has a pocket in here. So she has two pockets in here, and then she put a napkin in here. Cute napkin. And then she put one of the big journaling journaling cards in here. Oh my gosh. And there's that pocket right here. I like this. I like the combination, how she combined all the colors. And then here you can pull it right here, and there's a pocket right here, and there's a bookmarker right here, and then on the back there's another pocket. And then she put some journaling stickers in here, and then she also did a plain kind of like a label card in here, and there's a pocket here. It's so cute. I like this. And like I said, I love the color combination, how she did all the colors. And this looks like, can you pull this? There you go. Yeah, you can. It's a little, okay. And these are the paint chip things. Cute. I love this. I so love this idea. That's cute. And then I think you can pull this out too. Can I pull it out? It looks like I can pull it out. Now everything's falling apart. I don't want to tear it but I have a feeling it pulls out. Yeah, it's a card. There's a card in here. Watch me. I don't want to tear it apart. There you go. Oh, I knew you could pull it out. And that is so cute. This is a little cute journaling card. That is so cute. So she pieced it together with probably scraps, and she layered it on a piece of cardstock. And there you go. So cute, Amber. Thank you so much for sending me this cute Happy Mail. I did say don't send it to me anything, but you know what? Thank you, because I do appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are always supporting. And the reason I didn't want you guys to send me anything, because I didn't want to like take advantage of you guys in a way. I wanted you guys to, you know, give to your other subscribers. That's what I wanted you guys to do. But I really, really so appreciate it, Amber. This is so, so gorgeous. I love it. I wonder, is this a pocket back here? No. Okay. Just wondering. Anyways, thank you so, so much, Amber, for sending me this. And she is Delightful Creations here on YouTube. I will link her down in the description below. And it is so, so adorable. I am probably going to take some ideas from her and use them and take, you know, take them from, you know, her and share them with other people. So thank you again, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now. And I will link Amber down under the description below. I don't know if I said that, but thank you again. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.